Ladies and gentlemen, this is WE.LOCK Smart Door Lock. Today, I'd like to show you the installation of US standard Smart Door Lock, fingerprint, remote control, and Bluetooth model. This is the lock. This is the screwdriver, and the inside handle of the lock screws. First of all, and this is the door, US door. Yeah, there is a hole here. First step is to insert into the hole. From this side, this is outside, and this is inside. There is also a hole here. Clear? Yes. And insert. Yes. Now, next step is to still insert for the screws. Let me check if it is just the, if not, please open it to make it just the hole. Yeah, please see the hole inside. Yes. Yeah, something like that. The second one is easier than the first one because the first one helps that. Now it is installed. Check. Yes, this is the way. And now this is inside, and you can, when you go outside, just use this knob to open the door. And when you come back home at the door, you can use your handle, your fingerprint. Yes, unlocked. Yes, this way. Unlock, lock. If you want to go outside, yes. So it's simple. Very simple installation within 1 or 2 minutes for the US standard Smart Door Lock. This is WE.LOCK Smart Door Lock from My Hand Industrial Com Limited. Thank you for your watching. That's all.